What if a job wasn't just a job, but a chance to help children learn, grow, and discover the world a little more each day? That's exactly what a career in childminding offers. It's a role that fits around your family life while bringing real purpose and joy. Childminders look after children in a home-based setting and offer warmth, encouragement, and consistent care. They support children under 12, creating a safe space for them to play, learn, and thrive. Every day feels meaningful, and no 2 days are ever the same. Childminders also strengthen the whole community. By offering flexible childcare options, they help local parents and guardians work, study, or train. Because childminders are self-employed, they run their own small business. They choose the days and hours they work, so the role naturally fits around their family life and routines. If you're thinking about giving it a go, you'll need to complete training and register with the Care Inspectorate Wales. Expert organisations like Quorum Pacey Cymru are there to guide new childminders through every stage, answering questions and offering support along the way. If you're looking for flexible, rewarding work that makes a real difference to children and families, why not become a childminder? Visit the WeCare.wales website to get started. WeCare.wales/childminder.